Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make walnuts mixed with almond and coconut flour and banana mixed with raisins. Okay, I just want to make something to be snacky. Okay, so if you look inside this container, this is nut flour, coconut flour, and some raisins, no sugar. Okay guys, so I use my remaining banana leaf to do this baking inside. Okay, I think I should put a little bit of oil so that it will not stick on it. Okay, sweet mother, I needed you. Oh my gosh. I'll be this thing. It's okay. Can you help me? Where's the Okay. So you see my sweet mother, she has been with me all this while. You guys bless her for me and pray for long life for her. Yes. So I already put on the oven. I'm going to use the oven inside to bake it. Okay, guys. He wants cocoa to be internationally recognized and not demonized as a drug. Okay. Yes. So we're going to put it in the oven. As soon as I put it, put it down bottom here. Okay guys, so we're going to be watching it because I don't know how long it's going to take to bake, so I'll just be checking it. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, so we're going to check the almond walnuts bread. Okay, okay, I've already checked it behind camera, so it's already baked. Okay, so you see it? Show them, Michael. So it's ready now for eatable, cuttable. You see, it didn't stick, so it means it's ready. See, so this is let it cool down. Yes, so it's just for you to do whatever you want to do with this one. Okay, so our almond bread is ready. Okay, so we're going to leave it to cool down a little bit. Okay, okay. Put it to the cake. Okay guys, so this is the end of the baking process. So look inside. I can show them. Did you see all the raisins inside? So it's ready for eating. See how good it looks. Guys, did you see how good it looks? Wow. Give me that edge. No, down there, just a little bit. It's big. Yeah. Okay, guys. So you see. So healthy. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, may God bless you. Bye. Bye. That's the end.